They're not here.
Daddy, we need people. Ah! They scared me.
It scared you?
Ah! They scared me.
It scared you?
Nah, why I'm scared you? Why?
You know who that is?
I do.
Nikola Jokic.
Daddy.